Marco. Beautiful. Marco. Fuck yeah. Yo, I'm not gonna. The caps here are so fucking confusing. They all stick together. And I don't know if I like it. I mean, yeah, recycling is good and shit, but like, I'm kind of pissed about these caps, man. No cap. I freed my drink. Look at that. That's fucking awesome. I have to put the cap on that shit because I always spill water up here. Well, give it up for my band. Give it up for Noah on the guitar. And shout out to Charlie on the drums. And one last person. Not me, because fuck that. Give it up for yourselves! Hell yeah. Let's keep the energy alive. This next song is a little heavier. It's called Repair.